Hello students, we will discuss about IUPAC nomenclature rules for cyanides or nitriles. At the end of this learning video, you will be able to name the nitriles or cyanides using IUPAC nomenclature rules. Cyanides or nitriles are the compounds which contain nitrile group, that is CN group. The general formula of nitrile functional group is RCN, where R is alkyl group or aryl group. In the common system, they are named as alkyl cyanides. So here methyl group is attached to cyano groups, so named as methyl cyanides. In another example, here you will find out the ethyl group is attached to cyanide groups, so it is named as ethyl cyanides. So let's discuss the IUPAC rules for naming the nitriles or cyanides. So suffixes used for nitriles are nitriles. So in the IUPAC system, they are named as alkane nitriles. Remember, in case of nitriles, there is no need to replace the E of alkane. It should be retained and add suffix nitriles for the compounds containing nitrile functional groups or cyanide functional groups. One more important thing about naming the nitriles are you have to number the compounds containing nitrile functional groups in a such a way that the first number should be given to the nitrile carbon atom. Means you have to start the numbering from nitrile carbon atom. So in that example, if you see the methyl group is attached to cyano group, so you have to start the numbering from this carbon atom like this. So two carbon atoms are there, so name of alkane is ethane and you have to just add the suffix of nitriles. So name of this compound is ethane nitrile. Here is another example. You have to just start the numbering from the carbon atom of cyano groups. So 3 carbon atom is there. So name is propane. Add suffix, that is nitrile, and add a prefix of substituent. Substituent is methyl, attached at 2 number position. So 2-methyl propane nitrile is the IUPAC name of this compound. Always remember, you have to start the numbering from the carbon atom of nitrile functional groups. Now let's see when the prefix of these nitriles or cyanide functional groups are used. This cyano is a prefix is used for a nitrile or a cyanide group when it is considered as substituents. So when other prior functional group is present along with the nitrile functional group, that time cyano is regarded as substituents and you have to use prefix for the substituents. And when it is used as a substituents, that time you have not started the numbering from carbon atom of nitrile functional groups. So cyano group is act as substituents only when the other functional group which is having higher priority in the priority tables given by IUPAC system. Remember, if cyano groups or nitrile group is act as substituents, that time you have not included the carbon atom of cyano functional groups for the numbering. So here is one example which is containing 2 different functional groups including the cyano functional groups. So this is the carboxylic acid which is regarded as principal functional group because it is having higher priority in the priority tables given by IUPAC system. Hence, this group is act as substituents, so cyano prefix is used. So let's discuss how to name this compound. So numbering starting from the functional groups. So 4 carbon atom. So name is butane. So E is replaced with the suffix used for carboxylic acid, that is oic acid, and hence name is butanoic acid. Now use prefix for nitrile functional group, that is 3-cyano. So name of this compound is 3-cyanobutanoic acid. Always remember, carbon of CN group is not number when cyano group is act as substituents. So always remember, suffix of nitrile group is used when it is act as functional group and suffix is nitrile. And prefix of cyanide or nitrile group is used only when it is act as substituents and prefix used as cyano. Thank you very much. Happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Wish you all the best.